In this video, I'll show you how to buy meme coins on Jupiter Exchange. First, open your Solana wallet, such as Phantom, and make sure you are connected to the Solana network. You should also have some SOL in your wallet, because SOL is needed to pay transaction fees and can also be used to swap into meme coins. Next, open the official Jupiter Exchange website in your browser. Be very careful with fake websites, especially links from ads, social media comments, or direct messages. Always double-check the website before connecting your wallet. Once the page opens, click Connect Wallet and choose Phantom, or the wallet you are using. Your wallet will show a connection request. Review the website name carefully, then approve the connection. Now go to the Swap section. In the first token box, choose the token you want to spend, such as SOL or USDC. In the second token box, search for the meme coin you want to buy. For safer selection, use the official token contract address instead of only searching by name. Many meme coins can have similar names, and fake tokens may appear in search results. Copy the token address from the project's official website, official social media page, or a trusted Solana explorer. After selecting the meme coin, enter the amount you want to swap. Jupiter will show the estimated amount you will receive, along with the route, price impact, slippage, and fees. Before you continue, check the price impact carefully. Meme coins can have low liquidity, which means your trade may move the price a lot. If the price impact is too high, consider reducing the amount or avoiding the trade. When everything looks correct, click Swap. Your wallet will open a transaction confirmation window. Review the details, then approve the transaction. After the transaction is confirmed, check your wallet balance. If the meme coin does not appear automatically, search for it in your wallet or add it manually using the token address. Remember, meme coins are highly risky and can lose value very quickly. Only use money you can afford to lose, and never trust coins promoted with guaranteed profit claims. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.